Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel kamaltechvlogs. What we are going to do today is we are going to go ahead and unbox few things which I got from Amazon to start my YouTube channel. So let's start. This is my first video, so watch till the end so that you can know my reviews on the products which I have purchased, and I will give the links for the same in my description. Okay, the first product which we are going to unbox today would be lavalier microphone, which is with 3.5 mm jack, and it's a collar mic with clip. It's used for recording YouTube and for conference calls, interviews. So let's go ahead and check what they are sent. Okay, that would be enough. Kind of hasty. Okay, this is it. So what is there in this? So this will go to the phone end, and then this is okay, this will go in the collar. So this is called a collar mic. Okay then. And I got this from Amazon for $3.29, and the link for this would be in the description. So let me see how sturdy it is. So it's sturdy enough. Okay. And let's see how we can pin this on. Okay. So this is a quite decent one. It's sturdy enough. You can connect it to any of the phones you have, and you can go ahead and make your YouTube videos, your conference calls, or any interviews which you're taking with this. And getting this for $3.29 is a great deal actually. Okay, let's go ahead and check the other products which I had ordered from Amazon. Okay. Hi guys, so let's move on to the second and the third product. It came in the same box. As I have OnePlus Nord mobile, the thing is I do need a Type-C to normal 3.5 mm jack for the mic, and I use my OnePlus mobile for making YouTube videos also. It has a good camera, so we can go ahead and use that for vlogs and everything. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Till I don't set up that mic, this audio would be a problem. So let me just check. I got my headphones back. These are Truk Fit actually. If you're wondering what is a Truk Fit, at the moment I'm using this because I had to order a few things before I could start my YouTube channel. So this is a Truk Fit. I'll be making a video on that, about the review over there. So let me just unbox this. Oh my gosh. Okay, the first thing coming out is a photon stedy tripod. Okay. And the second thing which is coming out is a Viona. This is nothing but a 3.5 mm jack, which is that's Type-C to 3.5 mm jack, which I can connect to my OnePlus, and then I can connect my mic and then connect it to tripod so that I can make the YouTube videos. So let me check this. And about this mic also, which I had showed you previously, I would mention a snapshot of the specifications below also. I didn't give you a detailed review of this in this, because I just unboxed it, so it would take some time. So maybe in my next video, while I'm telling about the truck fit, I will give a detailed review of that also. Today we'll just unbox and check all these. Okay, how do you open this? Oh, there's a seal over here. So, okay, one review about truck fit, it's loose. So, let's see about that. Okay. So this is nothing. This is the same thing you get in shops, normal shops, where they charge you double the triple of the cost of the same thing. And I got this from Amazon for just 349 bucks, this one. So it's kind of an inexpensive deal. In shops you get it for 500, normal mobile shops, and from OnePlus you do know the rates. I don't have to, you can check out the website. So this is 3.5 mm jack over here, and this would be the type C. So just take the example of this mic over here. I can go ahead and connect this over here, and I can connect this to my phone, so that it will be a proper connection with the mic when I go ahead and make YouTube videos. Okay, so let's go ahead and then start with the new unboxing of this tripod also. Okay. Okay guys, as promised, Photron Stedy 350 tripod. So what is this? It's a tripod. Simple. I got this from Amazon for $5.99 actually. Some lightning deal was there for 32 rupees discount they gave me. So gracious. So I got a good sweet deal over here. So what this thing has is what is mentioned on the box. Let's read that first. It has a 3-way fluid effect pan head, built-in bubble level, legs with brace, and 4-second aluminium legs. 4 to 5 seconds or 4 seconds aluminium legs, I don't know that. 4 seconds aluminium leg with quick lever locks. Then it extends to 150 millimeters, folds to 360 meters, so it can go as small as this or as big as this. Aluminium legs includes universal smartphone holder and carry case. I think so you can even fix cameras in this. So these are the top face pictures of them. So let me just unbox this, because I cannot go ahead and give you a full review at the moment, because this is my first try of making a YouTube video, and I'll be making many more videos in this channel regarding technical news and all about tech, about the various unboxings which I'll be doing in future. So you don't have to worry about that. There will be many videos in this channel. Okay. So they are given a bag which looks kind of beautiful. Photron inspiring creativity. So in which you can travel and go whenever you're going out and taking a video. यानी जब भी वीडियो लेने के लिए बाहर जा रहे हो ये यूज कर सकते हो आराम से, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है उसमें. And this is supposed to be the tripod. Okay, it goes like this, and this is the lever. So I do have to check few specifications on this, as I've just unboxed it. But let me see, 1 second. Okay, so this is the tripod in total, to turn this side, that side, all around. And this is another part which has come with it. So this one, there's space over here to screw it like this or screw it like this over here. Yeah, I think so this would be for the straight cameras or normal digital cameras. You can go ahead and put it over here. And for mobiles, okay, you can fix it like this purely. Let me check that. I do need an additional mobile over here to check it out. So let me check how it works. So example, I'm keeping it like this. No. Oh, there is an extension. Okay. So you can see, just like a selfie stick, there is an extension over here. If I can extend this, example, I'll keep it down and do that. As it's my sister's mobile and something happens to this, she will murder me. So now tighten this nicely. Tighten this nicely. Screw this in. So this is tight. Tight this also. So our small stand is ready over here. Example, you're taking a video log directly, or if you're going ahead and taking a vlog like this or back cam, you can go ahead and check it out this, and you can make a video like this or a little bit further down. I would go ahead and check about the lens construction, how it has been done. Mostly in my next video I'll be using this and my OnePlus mobile, and I'll be using all the other accessories which I got, like this mic, and 1 second, it's stuck over here somewhere, with this mic and this 3.5mm to Type-C, and all together how it works. We'll make a new video on mostly in 1 or 2 days where we can check how it works all together. And I'll be making other videos and I'll be giving a hint of how all this setup has come together, and I'll give you a small video of how the setup looks after that. So guys, what I'm coming to say is, to start a YouTube channel, you don't have to spend much. Some of them don't even have Type-C ports, so this is out of question for them. You can directly use the jack over that 3.5mm jack. In case you have a phone which has only a Type-C port, in that case you have to go ahead and get a Type-C adapter, or if you have it, like some of the companies do offer it, like Xiaomi and all those stuff, so you can go ahead and use that and connect it and use it with that. So my total expense was about 1,275 if I'm not wrong, for just making this normal setup for a normal YouTube. The main important thing is, anybody can start, but you must have the interest and you must have the commitment to start a YouTube channel. It's simple as that. See, I'm interested in technical stuff. I'll be mentioning about various kinds of unboxings. I'll be teaching you how to flash more mobiles. I'll be giving you reviews about fast charging, raw charging, and the power banks used for that, chargers, and the latest tech news about most of the gaming stuff which is coming by, and few times about few hobbies also I'll go ahead and explain. This is just an intro video of what all is going to happen in this channel, and I'll be updating in mostly like once in 2 days or once in 3 days, just because I have to edit the videos in between and upload it to YouTube. But I'll be uploading in a constant basis, so if you truly want to support and motivate me, go ahead, like and subscribe for this video, and always whichever video I post, watch till the end, because I would go ahead and give you the links of whatever I'm showing in the video below, so that you can go ahead and purchase that for a good price. Thank you. Thanks for watching.